This is not just another RAV4. This is the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4, fully electrified, redesigned from the ground up. And today, we're looking at it in this stunning white finish. Is this now the best hybrid SUV in its segment, or just a safe Toyota upgrade? Let's find out right now.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the Speed Wheels. If you love honest car reviews, real-world practicality, and detailed walkarounds, you're in the right place. Today's video is deep dive review of the 2026 Toyota RAV4, covering design, interior, performance, comfort, features, price, and whether this SUV actually makes sense for your money. So buckle up. Let's start with the design.
Starting with the front, and honestly, Toyota has gone bold this time. The grille is wider, sharper, and much more aggressive compared to the previous generation. You get these sleek LED headlights paired with modern DRLs that instantly give the RAV4 a premium road presence. The bumper design feels muscular, not overdone, and the white color really highlights the sharp cuts and edges. Overall, from the front, this RAV4 looks confident, modern, and SUV proper.
Now moving to the side profile, this is where the RAV4's SUV DNA truly shines. Strong shoulder lines, squared wheel arches, and a slightly rising window line give it a tough yet balanced stance. The roof rails add practicality, and the proportions are spot on. Not too bulky, not too soft. In white, the contrast between body panels, cladding, and alloys looks clean and premium. This side profile clearly says, family SUV with adventure capability. At the rear, Toyota has kept things simple but sharp. The LED tail lamps are clean and modern, connected visually through design lines. You get a sporty bumper, roof spoiler, and a wide stance that makes the car look planted on the road. It's not flashy, but it's mature, functional, and very Toyota-like. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 Toyota RAV4 upgrade really becomes obvious. The dashboard feels modern with soft-touch materials, solid build quality, and a very clean layout. Front and center is the large infotainment display, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster. Everything is positioned logically, no learning curve here. The steering wheel feels chunky and premium, seats are well bolstered, and visibility is excellent. Toyota has focused on comfort, durability, and ease of use, and it shows. Feature-wise, the RAV4 is absolutely loaded. You get push-button start, multiple airbags all around the cabin, and Toyota's latest advanced driver assistance systems. Lane assist, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, everything works quietly in the background to keep you safe. This is the kind of safety tech you want in a family SUV. Now let's talk about the back seat, because this is where many buyers spend their time. Legroom is generous, headroom is more than sufficient, and the seat cushioning is comfortable even for long drives. You get a center armrest with cup holders, good window visibility, and a relaxed seating angle. For families, this rear seat setup is practical, comfortable, and stress-free. Up top, you get a panoramic sunroof, which completely changes the cabin experience. It brings in natural light, makes the interior feel airy, and kids especially will love this feature. The operation is smooth and well insulated. No rattles, no harsh noises. Around the back, the boot space is generous. You can easily fit luggage for a weekend trip or daily grocery runs. The loading lip is low, the space is wide, and folding the rear seats gives you even more flexibility. This is a true practical SUV, not just a stylish one. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 comes with electrified powertrains only. You get a 2.5-liter hybrid setup, and in higher trims, a plug-in hybrid with impressive power. Acceleration is smooth, instant, and perfect for city driving. It's not a sports SUV,
but it's quick, refined, and extremely efficient. On highways, it feels stable, calm, and confident.
The Toyota RAV4 alloy wheels look sporty, and the tire profile strikes a good balance between comfort and grip. Suspension tuning is excellent. Bumps are absorbed nicely, and the car stays composed at high speeds. Steering feels light in the city and stable on highways. Overall, ride quality is very comfortable, especially for long journeys.
Now let's talk money. The estimated pricing puts the 2026 RAV4 right in the competitive hybrid SUV segment. Yes, it's not the cheapest, but you're paying $75,000 for reliability, hybrid efficiency, safety, and resale value. For most buyers, this will feel like a smart long-term investment.
So, who should buy the 2026 Toyota RAV4? If you want a reliable, comfortable, fuel-efficient, and future-ready SUV, this car makes a lot of sense. It's perfect for families, daily commuters, and anyone looking for stress-free ownership. Toyota didn't reinvent the wheel, they refined it perfectly.
That's our full review of the 2026 Toyota RAV4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Speed Wheels. Tell us in the comments, would you choose this RAV4 or one of its rivals? Until next time, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.